Cheap renewable power is no longer the problem. Solar and wind are the cheapest electricity ever built. The hard part is turning it into hydrogen. The supply never holds still. By day, a solar farm floods the system with power. Then the sun sets, and that power stops. A conventional electrolyzer, like those from Nel or Plug Power, powers down with it. Switching off wears it. Restarting is slow. But the wind often rises at night, feeding the same grid the panels just left. The power moved. The question is whether the machine in the middle can follow it. Solar by day, wind by night, gap after gap. One architecture is built for that: decoupled water electrolysis. It makes hydrogen and oxygen at separate moments, so no membrane degrades as the power ramps up and down. H2 Pro, an Israeli company, is commercializing this design. It says the system can stop, start and ramp with the weather with no wear and wire straight to renewables, no battery. The company reports a 0.5 megawatt pilot in Israel and a solar demonstration planned in Spain, scaling toward 50 megawatts. These figures are company reported, the pilots are small, and following the weather means fewer running hours than a grid plant. But the shift underneath is real. The cheapest power now arrives in bursts, at odd hours, from different sources. And the plants that win will be the ones that can take it however it arrives.